Next, we teach our clients how to assemble the brackets on both sides of this instrument and the bracket above. So we start with the stand assembly. All the brackets we've seen so far are here. Our first step, remove the screws from the machine first. View from behind. The first bracket on the right. Put this. Fix the screws to the bracket first. Then align. Just tighten it, then install on the other side. We assemble this one. And it's assembled in the same way that we showed you just now. After the screws are fixed here, tighten up here. And we assemble these two plates underneath the stand here. First, we need to assemble these two bars. Let's unscrew the 3 screws at the bottom first. Here are 3 screws. Then the 3 screws of this board. These 3 screws have been screwed on. Take down this 3 too. And here's the thing. There are 3 holes on this bracket. We aim at this position, then fix it with screws. Then the first board is done. We'll move on to the second one. The bracket above this one. That is, the bracket for placing the 14 patches of the EMS is completed. We're going to assemble it into the machine. The machine inside is fixed by these 2 screws. Let's take it off first. After putting it in this position, just lock it tightly with screws. Then this side. Be sure to remember, that's it. The above one is on both sides of the EMS badge. We will remove all the metals worn by the customer's body before clinical practice. Also ask the customer, is there any metal implants in his body? If there is, we are not allowed to operate it. Then the face should be cleaned in advance. Then keep your face dry. Let's put the negative plate. Paste it on the part away from our operation, at least 10 inches. We generally recommend sticking it on a smoother place. Then we have to smooth this negative plate when pasting. Then the patient is asked to lie down. We operate the face. Then we have to put it on the operating part. Apply essential oil or essence. Next is the setting of a clinical parameter. In fact, it is in our manual. Also mentioned. We can read the manual. You can also watch this video. So first we're going to use 9 and 10 grips for the face manipulation. Select gender and other parameters. Then we click the button below to enter. After entering, operate the face according to us. Check handle 10. Then set the clinical time. Usually within 15 to 30 minutes. OK. Then we'll set the gear. The gear corresponding to the no 10小时 handle is at this position. Then it is recommended to be 5 to 8 gears. We're going to start in 5th gear. Then the customer can choose the storage parameters. Then click Start. We put the handle close to the face, then perform the operation of moving and pulling. When operating, try not to tilt the handle. This will cause the energy to be too high. We will operate according to this method, just until the end of clinical time. Next is the number 7 or 8 handle. After using the same selection information, click the button to enter. Then according to the 2 handles we chose. It's still a single handle. We choose the handle. Then set the clinical time. 5 minutes for a single part. Then the clinical parameters are at 42 to 45. Let's start with D. Then click Start here. After starting here, the handle needs to press the light. It's normally on. It's working normally. Just start the parameters here. We need to keep the face dry, no moisture. Be sure to dry. Then there is no need to apply any product. We tighten the handles to our faces. Then press the output button. After the time we set is over, just pick it up. Then move to the next area for operation. Each zone is 5 minutes. The method is to operate in a stamped manner. Just operate all the areas. Then use number 9 next. Perform an operation on the back. We choose the number 9 handle. Then set the clinical time for 25 to 60 minutes. Clinical time. We can start with 25. Then set a recommended energy for 5 to 8 gears. You can also click parameter Save. We click to start using. After starting, we need to put it on the handle. Press the button on the handle. Then there is energy output.
No 9 and no 10小时 at dose.
It needs to be used with essential oil. When we operate, you should also apply essential oil to the area. Then we press and hold the blue light. Then stick to the skin. Just move it up and down to operate. Mobile handle. You can't stay in one place for longer than 3 seconds. Otherwise, the energy will be very hot after stacking. It is okay if the customer feels warm when operating, and then again, it stops at the end of time. The next thing we'll go into are handles 1 through 6. Handles do not need to be matched with negative plates. We remove the negative plate. Then lay the fixing pad in advance. Come where our customer wants to lie down. Let our customers lie down according to the size of the client's abdomen. Number of handles placed. Put the handle away first. Gel sticker. It comes in 2 varieties. One is this square one, for handles 1 to 6. Then these 2 packs are for EMS batches. But in fact, these 2, it is also possible to use it instead. As long as it can stick to the skin, just stick the handle. Operate handles E2. Be sure to avoid the belly button. You can't treat the belly button directly. Then use handles 1 to 6 to operate. Also select information. Then enter the setting parameters. Because the handle is not currently plugged in, so it shows the error here. This is a code without a handle. Display normal. After the customer connects the handle, the temperature will be displayed here. Okay. We are here based on. Select the handle that needs to be operated. For example, the customer does not operate at all. It requires 6 handles. We select 6 handles. Just turn it into a yellow circle, then set the temperature. The clinical temperature is recommended to be around 43 to 46.
Then the clinical time is 30 to 40分钟 use.
Click to start here. This handle has not come into contact with essential oil. Wipe the surface with a dry towel. We can just wipe it again, then put it in. We use the handle that directly touches the essential oil,
like the number 10小时 handle.
We use paper towels. Wipe the essential oil off the surface. The same is true for number 9. If you come into contact with essential oils, wipe them clean with a tissue. Be sure to clean it up. Put this gel sticker in advance. Stick it on the customer. First, tear off the release film on one side. Then put the sticky side. Stick it on the part to be operated. Do the same for the remaining operating parts. Put all the stickers on. It's on the thigh now. Let's stick to the abdomen again. And then the arm. Here we go. Is to put the EMS batch. Stick to this gel sticker. First, stick the gel on it. This release film. Tear it off. All side is also sticky. Then we put the same set of numbers. Its patches stick together. Next is EMS. After entering, select information. Then click to enter. Choose according to the mode we need to use. Automatic or manual are available. It's just that we set to before. They have a set frequency. Then use it at the frequency set by yourself. After entering, we can adjust it accordingly. For example, this plugged in. Like this. Every channel of it. We need to open each channel first. Put it in first gear. In this way, the channel is in the open state. Then this usage pattern. It must be in the unstarted state. Make a choice. After selection, we can adjust the clinical time. It is recommended to adjust the clinical time gear from the 5th gear. If the customer cannot accept this gear, it can also be appropriately low to high. It is to slowly increase from the lowest gear to the top to use. So we're going to demonstrate this. That is, EMS and RF work at the same time. So we're now treating the other side of the face clinically. Also apply essential oil. After the EMS is started, it also needs to be used with RF. We will click this button to return. Click RF again. Let's take the face as an example for RF operation. Also set the parameters here. Clinical time. Then you can treat the client. Include these clinical gears. Just set this up. We click Start. At this time, EMS and RF are running at the same time.